Gibutangan akong trap dire lab.
Gaon. Gaon. Wait.
Gibutangan kong trap.
Gaon. Is it on? Oh.
Tabang ko turtle.
Eh. Okay. Sorry guys.
Pa. Alin ko dire sa mid ha. Busy man si Gosyon dito sa taas.
Sorry about that guys.
Matay na nung sila. Anak ko'y ulti lab pero ako'y mana.
Let Minecraft today.
Mo ulti ko? Oh. Gani.
Mama, retreat daw, uy. Mama, retreat daw. Uy,
Ha?
retreat daw. Si Ungo. Ito ganun na.
Di pa akong hanso. Ako may ulti ko. Tawa mo kaday.
Gipaak daw.
Di pa akong hanso. Itong may ulti na ko. Namatay niya ako. Thanks to Ay, nai-trap. Aray mo.
Ado gaya. Ako ni skip guys. Kaya para dili mo
10 seconds lag.
No. Okay, hello guys. Lansa man ni. What happened? Nagkuan lagi. Ma panda, what? Oh, duha lagi no. No, why is it who? What? How? Are you pooping? Are you pooping in the water? Do.
Kanako patay no.
I should blame you guys. Why are you not eating? Joke.
Mabita na ingon si Jo lala ng ko.
Sa muka ba ninyo?
Turtle na.
But protect my house. Can you guys help him? I'ma name you, okay? I'ma name you. Oh, no. Don't end the video yet. Because I will show y'all my house. This is my new house. Where the kuan? Let me kuan first.
Malord na.
Tolo man akong kuan. Ang akong iron golem. Kuan ta usa para sa akong panda. Duha ka panda, tolo ka iron golem. Okay. Mga babae ni puro. Girls only. Daisy. Wait lang, pwede makakuha ng iron golem. Manino Daisy? Name. Are you Daisy now? Ana. Pwede de ay. Katong duha man tato para sa panda. Am subugo. Na duha na lang kayong golem. Na lalaki man tong usa. Kay post na lang tong baby.
Lord. 4.
Pine.
Pagkagod.
Max.
15
Max.
seconds na vlog.
Max niya. Kuan. Emma. Emma.
Aray ko. May rabies,
Nara may
may rabies.
Daisy. Ezli. Joke. Emil. Emil. Her. Rose. Yeah, Rose.
Lamay, takong ulti vlog ko. Ingon bita ko nimo.
Okay, girls sa mga iron golem. Rose. Rosetta. Eh. Why are you there? Be cute. Okay. Oh.
Bila siguro ni dito.
Lian.
Sa mabila ni
Lian.
Pinalipad niyo yung ano.
Perfect.
1-1.
Ano ba dito?
Paliparin.
Okay. So this is Max for Makanda, which is a guy. You are a guy. And you are a girl.
May rabies lab, may rabies.
And do you have a name?
Nasi
Do you
Conrad.
have a name? Okay. You will be named Rosetta.
Aray ko.
Do you have a name? You will be named Liana. You? Kasi Daisy.
Vlog ko lang
Yeah.
akong heal.
Perfect. Perfect.
15 seconds.
Joke.
10 seconds lab.
Ay, dali mo ko mo gamit, anak. I'm sorry. What do I need? Kani.
Ano para na po na ninyo yung 1-1. Yan. Nag-flood na yung 1-1.
Excuse me. To be respectful to my new home,
Wala na kayo mana lab.
I should.
Please ako.
This will be 2 layer. This is 1 layer. 2 layer.
Ano ko
I
heal.
mean, this is 1 layer and 2 layer because it has this, yeah, glowstone. Now my house is big. This will took many minute. What am I saying? Oh my, this is so beautiful. They are Do you want to have a seat?
Muli ko. Ang tap.
Okay, let's eat. Wait. It's raw. Never mind. Wait, let me see my pigs. Are you doing okay? Is something wrong? Are you guys hungry?
Naambush.
Where is my carrot?
Sayon.
My carrot is gone, so I'm gonna get new one. There you go. Easy. PD mo.
Aray ko.
Yeah. Do you eat again? Yeah. Apple. Wait. Can you eat?
Nice one lang love ko.
Can you eat? Can you eat? Can you eat?
Wait lang
No.
love ko na si Kuya Nancy.
What are you looking at?
Lapit ako love.
Do you want golden apple? Oh.
Nice one.
Ooh, we can see you then.
Lord love ko.
That's sweet. What about enchanted apple? Oh, you can.
Sabi niyo sa Udarela?
Don't you dare escape. You are my Hosi, my only Hosi. I love you as my Hosi.
Sige lang, Lord lang.
I did forgot to put it.
Ah,
I did forgot to put.
wala ka. Kuan. Kari 3.
Why are you open?
Kanang nagla. Magka pala eh. Sayang.
Hello?
Okay na love ko.
Yeah. Nakoy pakuano ni mo Amber. Look, akong new house.
Sayang yun.
Gibutang ko na ba dira?
Star na to.
Asa ko?
Report
Asa
na
ko?
to.
Wala na kita.
Report na to.
Unsa man ka iron golem? Ber, unsa man ka iron golem or armor stand?
Understand.
Okay.
Ay ko anang. Asa gibutang ang habol ng
Ambot.
ate. Asa gibutang ang habol na ko?
Sa habol.
Katong habol ni kuan ba? Mama.
Wala naman mo habol dere. Hapin naman lang. Oh, katong nipis nga pang hapin ba?
Oh, kato. Asa day?
Ha?
Asa?
Sabanan.
Unsa man?
Paunwa pa ka lab?
Yan na ko kato.
Aw na mo gugas labi. Labhanan pa man to nga naman.
Ate Shirley, ako ni siya ang hormone ugma ha.
Nga naman.
Wala ra.
Mangita
Mangita
ko
ko to.
kuma.
Ha?
Magluto ko lablab.
Ha, ikaw ha. Ha? Hormone kita ugma ha.
Naghimo. Unsa man Amber?
Yes. Amber best friend.
Kain mo pa di ka ni tao.
Amber BF.
F.
Bigutom ka bali.
Nag-record girl ako.
Okay, thank you.
Why you record? Mo post man ko sa akong YouTube. Bye.
Let's go, bye.
Sige ra banig ambak-ambak ang mga iron golems ber. Okay. Bye. Bye. That was my best friend, guys. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey. Can you get out, please, iron golem? I'm trying to build the...
Ano ba yan?
What are you doing? My bestie, you're supposed to... Can you please stop? My bestie, what are you doing? You are my home, oh, hello. Oh, hello. Okay, time to finish. Time to finish my favorite house. Guys, this is just my idea, okay? This is my This is just my idea. This will gonna be boring. And I should make a part 2. And guys, you know it's night time. It's not. See? It's night time. It's night time here. Yeah. It's night time here. And I am not tired still. Because I love listening to music, of course. Okay.
Nablog ka? Ikaw? Oh, nagluto na ko. Wala pa, sa ko Duha naman lang pod ni kay giluto na akong tulog ganina tong nilakaw ka. Hindi ang tara ni.
And my mind, I'm working. Have you in my world? So what it is to be. I wonder how many parts I can make, because you know maybe it's many, because this is the rooftop is big.
Hinambog.
This took me hours. I am not going to get to build here yet. Why is it invisible? Okay. Me just lag
Okay.
because of these
Wag mapalit
things.
mata nato imong kuan lang lablab.
I am not flexing, guys. I swear I am not. I am not flexing. If you are my friend in this Minecraft world, I will just make you a house,
Kuan na baya to? 8
or
naman
I'll make
Ha?
a house, but you have a
7
room
ka ba?
and my
Ay, basig
room.
kuan ug mga
But don't you dare open my chest if we are
kay kung
friends.
magkuan ta karon.
Don't you dare steal my
Maturon.
stuff. Okay. Because I am hiding something from the chest. And you know what it is. A diamond, of course. And I know there's no hardcore world because I don't know. I don't want to download a bedrock, of course. The Minecraft bedrock, because I don't know if it's
Bigyan mo ko ng magandang
it's
skin.
free or
Oh
not.
my gosh.
If it is, I will just play it. And I don't know. Bro, I kinda want to play vanilla Minecraft.
Day, tulog ba day? Kanora sa day.
Ano what oras it is,
Tulog na day.
but me making video for subscribe.
Alright.
Okay. Bam. 1, 2. And you guys know I don't have Roblox, of course. Only in mom's phone. So if I make a video in mom's phone, it's hard to, post it in my phone. Because I don't know. And you can hear my voice in the screen recorder. So yep, I just don't have a screen recorder in my phone because I don't know. I just downloaded a app, of course. As you can see, it is an app. You really see my apps. And now if I'm bored, I will just post a video. Why is uncle snoring? And guys, I am not watching a tutorial, of course. I am not watching a tutorial. Because why would I watch a tutorial? It's just my idea. Oh wow, I really made it in just one video.